make sure that your business name isn't already taken. So you need to do your due diligence and make sure that name is not taken in the state that you're registering. And I don't think I need to state the obvious, but you can't go with a name that's already well known, that's already copywritten or trademarked or registered. Because if you do that, you are going to get a letter in the mail, a cease and desist. Take some time and come up with a name that's unique for you and research it. At the end of your name, it's going to have to include LLC, which is a limited liability company. And you're going to have to do all the proper state and federal paperwork to get this. To come up with a name, brainstorm some ideas. What I like to do is use a whiteboard. Nowadays, you could use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to brainstorm a name. But remember, these AI platforms aren't the end-all be-all of the information that you need, because other people might be asking the very same question that you are. You might have two names that come up at the same time. You'll have to check the name availability with your state. And this is as simple as going online. Most likely your state has a business portal specifically for businesses, and you can check it that way. It's really not that difficult. Once you have your business name, you're going to file articles of organization with your state. Most likely this is going to be with your state secretary or an equivalent office. The information that you're going to need for this is your business name, names of members and managers, and your registered agent. There is typically a fee involved for this because nothing's free anymore. So be prepared to pay anywhere from $50 to $150 for the filing fee. Your actionable items are: go to your state secretary's website and find what information that you need to have to start a business in your state. Fill out this information accurately and submit it. If you're still unsure about things and how to do it, you can also go to your Small Business Development Center. These are typically housed with your Chamber of Commerce in your area. Usually it's by county, but in larger areas it might be by city. At each Small Business Development Center, there will be people on staff that can help you complete this paperwork. There typically also are workshops available to you so that you can better understand how exactly to set your business up, and all of this is typically free. Small Business Development Centers are a great resource to access. There's also a program called SCORE. SCORE is a program where people who have retired from business offer their services for free to mentor new business owners or business owners that just need help with a specific area. I've used SCORE in the past when I was first starting my business. It was great because I had access to years of information by contacting the people at SCORE and either going through their workshops or working directly with a mentor. And like I said, there usually isn't a fee involved with this. There might be a small fee for a workshop, but typically there isn't. The only thing I really had to pay for was the occasional coffee, and that's okay with me. In summary, your action items are pretty simple. Go to your state's website, look at the Secretary of State or whatever your equivalent is, find out what you need to do to be an LLC, and then follow those steps. It really is that simple. However, if you get hung up in this process or if you're unsure about this process, then go to your Small Business Development Center or find a mentor at SCORE to help you out. And you'll be able to get your business started that way.